Welcome to the band gym, everybody. It's posture day. I'm going to take you through 3 sequences and 3 exercises that I do frequently to go ahead, not only to mobilize my posture and make sure that I can get it where I need to be, but also strengthen it, but using a band as an assistive tool to get me into full ranges of motion. You'll see what I mean when I get started. They're very familiar exercises. They're called Y's, T's, and W's. But when you go ahead and you attach a horizontal force and you start doing these Y's, T's, and W's, everything changes. Not only does everything change from a standpoint of your posture getting better, but you're gonna feel awesome when you stand up and you feel like you are straight up and down and your shoulders feel great, your trunk is activated, and life is really good. Guys, Y's, T's, and W's using horizontal forces. Give it a try. Here's 3 ways you can do it. Enjoy yourself, but more importantly, as always, if you like the workouts, click the like button, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and always send me your comments. I'd love to hear more about how you're doing with Y's, T's, and W's.